Hello friends, and thank you for joining me here in Mama's Nook. Today I have a quick little video with a couple of ideas for end-of-year appreciation gifts. Just give me a moment now. I'm going to change my camera and I'll get right back to you. The first item I have is a tote bag. I'm going to do a heat transfer vinyl on it. I have pre-cut the vinyl on my Cricut machine. The Cricut press is set at 315 and I'm going to press it for 15 seconds. Now because this is going on a pocket and there's seams, I'm going to put in a pressing bag so that it doesn't catch on any of the seams and it'll give me a clear flat surface. Okay. And it's going to say, this bag contains absolutely no papers to grade or lessons to plan, #summertime. So I'm just going to position it here on the pocket. Cover it with a Teflon sheet and press for 15 seconds. Just give it a and I'm going to give it another 15 seconds. This is soft, so it sometimes takes a little bit longer to adhere. Peel away this one. And I'm going to turn the bag over and press it from the back to make sure that it's got a good set for 15 seconds. Next item I'm going to do is a candle. I'm going to leave the label that came on the candle. It's a white barn candle and it's black cherry. But on the opposite side, I'm going to put a decal that says, "Smells like summer break, #teacher off duty." And the good old key tag, bag tag. This one says teacher mode off. Now, while I was transferring this, I got a crinkle in the dot here for the, I'm just going to lift it and flatten it. Now I have a little chocolate bar here, and I made a wrapper for it. Thanks a Chocolate for a great year. It's just a print and cut on the Cricut. Just going to place it, and I'm going to put up two-sided tape. Place this in the center. Now, we can't forget bus drivers and crossing guards, so I'm going to do a chocolate bar for them too. The bus driver, thanks for going the extra mile. And the crossing guard, thanks for keeping me safe. Now, none of these items today took long to do at all, so they are great last-minute things to do. And of course, you can use larger chocolate bars. But it's just a nice little token of thanks. and they're done. Thanks for watching today, and I ask that you please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be alerted of when I put a new video up. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Talk to you later. Bye.